As per latest media reports, the Indian Army is looking for new lighter towed artillery guns for its requirement of 1,200 towed artillery systems in the future. The new towed artillery systems will be more advanced than the DRDO developed ATAGs. The report also says that the Army has been in talks with several manufacturers, and they have come up with qualitative parameters and suggestions for new features in the futuristic artillery weapon that will have higher automation and accuracy than current systems. The DRDO has expanded the capabilities of its Lakshya-2 advanced pilotless target aircraft, and it can now be used as a low-cost unmanned armed drone capable of carrying weapons in various scenarios. The Lakshya-2 has already completed 9 weapon delivery sorties, including the release of 16 weapons. The DRDO has transferred the technology of Lakshya-2 to Larsen and Toubro for production, and it can now be used in weapon delivery configuration to drop high-energy weapon payloads accurately at known coordinates. As the Indian Air Force has started search for 6 used ERJ-145 aircraft for improved Netra MK1A program with a broader search and tracking range with 300 degrees coverage, Embraer has offered its Praetor 600 super mid-sized jet that has nearly twice the range as compared to ERJ-145, higher maximum cruise speed, increased fuel capacity, a higher service ceiling of 45,000 feet. And these enhancements would result in improved radar performance. DRDO chief has said that the current 118 Arjun MK1A order falls significantly below the minimum benchmark quantity requested by the DRDO. The lack of substantial orders from the Army has led to a high import content for the tank, resulting in supply chain constraints that have posed sustenance challenges. The DRDO has advocated for a substantial order of 500 units to facilitate robust indigenization and bolster domestic production capabilities. The Indian Army's Aviation Corps is preparing to establish a new base in Rajasthan close to the international border that will bolster the Army's capabilities and strengthen its presence in the region. The allocation of land has been approved for this strategic base, which will operate attack helicopters, multi-role helicopters and drones for reconnaissance, troop transportation and providing air support during combat situations. The Vice President and head of the Airbus C295 India program has said that Airbus has started discussions with the Indian Coast Guard for 6 maritime patrol aircraft and the Navy for 9 maritime patrol aircraft, as well as development of multi-mode maritime aircraft for the Indian Coast Guard and medium-range maritime reconnaissance aircraft for the Indian Navy. The Air Force could also replace the AN-32 with C295, which could result in a substantial order for 100 more aircraft. Irof Technology's Private Limited has unveiled its Tuna underwater remotely operated vehicle that has the ability to descend up to 300 meters while providing high-definition real-time video feeds. With a selection of attachments and sensors, it can be configured to address various underwater tasks and missions with high precision.
Omar dropped it.